In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals stuck on the loading screen. So whether you're unable to launch the game or you're able to launch the game and it's not loading correctly, then this is going to show you exactly how to fix all of these loading issues. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the Steam application, click on Library in the top navigation, and then locate Marvel Rivals from this list. Once you've found Marvel Rivals, we're going to right click on it and select Properties, click on Installed Files, and then just press Verify Integrity of game files. Now you just need to wait a few minutes while that goes ahead and checks for any corrupted or damaged files. Once you've done that, we're then going to right click on Marvel Rivals once again and select Properties, click on Installed Files, and you may have an option here to move this game's content to another folder or drive. So if you do have this option available, click on Move Install Folder, and what you can do is try moving the Marvel Rivals game to a different SSD. So I currently have mine installed on my C drive, but I can try it moving this to this D volume over here and then clicking on Move. Now, if you're still getting the loading issue, the next thing we can do is right click on Marvel Rivals, select Manage, and select Browse Local Files. From here, just scroll down until you see the Marvel Rivals _ launcher and right click on this. Click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and make sure Run this program as administrator is checked like this and press Apply and OK. And then you can try loading up the game directly from this application here and checking to see if that's fixed your issue. Now, if that's still not working, the next solution is to head over to your Start menu and search for Windows Defender, and then click on the Windows Defender firewall. From the left hand side, select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and you just want to disable both of these options by clicking on Turn Off and then pressing OK. Now, the last solution is to head over to your Start menu and search for Settings. From the left hand side, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps, and in the search box, type in River Tuner. And if you have the application called River Tuner installed on your computer, then this can actually cause compatibility issues with Marvel Rivals. So you can actually try uninstalling this and that should fix any issues you're getting. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.